Hello, I'm Sue Grant and we're going to have a quick look at Discovery 55 SHAMANS drum from 2003, and she's here in the Azure harbour of Gouvier. Just on deck to start with, she's got davits for her Carib rib. This video is being done by John Eustace, who works with us on sales support for Discovery, and so he was on the spot and had a jolly good look at SHAMANS drum. Barbecue with a little hat on it, all set up for Mediterranean cruising. This bimini is rather super and is recent, and the spray hood was overhauled recently. Teak deck is looking very fresh. Up we go to have a look at the foredeck. The rig is a standard Discovery rig. It is by Selden. New standing rigging in 2020, and the rig was reviewed. She has electric in-mast furling, and she also has furling on the two front sails, which we're going to go and have a look at now. They're Furlex units. All the running rigging has also been reviewed. Robust windlass. She's also got a kedge aft. The mainsail is brand new. It's Vectran from Quantum. Everything comes aft, and of course the companionway hatch manages all the sail handling aboard the yacht, so you don't have to go on deck on passage. Here we have a storage locker with a gas locker behind it, and of course there is a large lazarette forward and two very spacious lockers in the transom. Discovery cockpit, super comfortable for passage making, relaxing, alfresco eating, and she has the legendary Discovery bath, which we're just looking at now. Entry from a carbon fibre passerelle. And now we're down in the deck saloon. Cherry interior, beautifully executed joinery. Enormous galley, as with all Discoveries. Twin sink and drainer. She's cruising and is looking very good. Force 10 cooker. On this yacht, the normal enormous deep freeze and the refrigerator is divided in two. We're not going to have a look at the forward accommodation, but there is a large VIP double upper and lower berth cabin and a heads compartment with separated shower and electric heads. So there we go, and we're going into the owner's cabin. Massive owner's berth with split mattress, his and hers wardrobes. Loads of light and air coming in. All in very nice shape. I love the way that cherry goes this wonderful golden colour. And then owner's heads compartment. Another electric loo. A little bit of silvering on the mirrors. Loads of storage. And then we will go into the shower stall, which as normal has the washer dryer. This one's a Zanussi. Full-sized one, just tucked behind this door. This boat's got a Perkins M115 with a turbo water maker that you've just seen. Nice clean bilges. Round about 3,000 hours on this engine. And she's got the single manifold as with her sisters. All very tidy. Perfect yacht for Mediterranean cruising, which is what she's been doing. And of course, she's also wonderful for doing so much more. Discovery 55, Shamans Drum in Greece.